The next topic of the first chapter is business risk. Risk is the uncertainty of the business. What is to be happen in the future, no one can be know. So that is a risk while we are involved in the business. That is a business risk. Huge amount of capital can be invested while as per the size of the business, it is a small or a large. So the amount is to be invested in a business. So it is a risk. Risk is the uncertainty. What is to be happen in the future. So business after we, so several things. The profit is very important. In the other part, the while we are investing the money, the risk is also the necessary part of the business. While we are investing the money, there is a probability of profit or loss as well as. Business risk refers to the probability of loss. Probability, what is to be happen, no one can be know. There is a probability what is to be happen or not. It is not compulsory that every business have a loss, but there is a probability of loss. Or inadequate profit. Inadequate profit means how much profit we think that is less or more, but inadequate profit due to the uncertainty or unexpected events, what is to be happen. We think that we are purchasing the raw material for manufacturing, or after that we have to be sold the units in a market, but while the COVID-19 occurs, so there is a probability of loss also. So this is a recent way. So the number of business can be closed, number of business can be not run in a proper manner, so they are not earning that much profit, as well as they are having several losses also. So that is unexpected event which is to be happen in recent, which are beyond control, because there is no control of human beings while in these types of things, or these are the causes of nature. What is to be happen, no one can be know. In simple words, we can say business risk means a chances of increased loss or less profit than expected. It is a chance of unexpected losses or less profit. So next point is nature of business risk. The first is business risk arises due to the uncertainties arise due to uncertainty. What is uncertainty? Not sure of what is going to happen in future. What is to be happen, no one can be know. So it is going to happening in the future, no one can be know. Common example of these changes is demand, government, policies, and technology. These are the several things arises due to the uncertainty in the market. The next is as an essential part of every business. Risk is the essential part of every business. Risk can be reduced but not be eliminated. Risk reduced. The several points which are to be taken to reduce the risk, but we have not been eliminated from the business for that business risk. Next is the degree of risk depend upon the nature and the size of business. Degree of risk depend upon the nature and the size of the business. How much business is there? It is a fashion, it is a type of manufacturing unit, it is a retail unit. They all are having a different amount of investment in the business. So it is a nature and depend upon the nature and the size of the business, how much risk they are to be involved. Next is the profit is the reward of bearing the risk. Profit is the reward. What does it mean? It means while we are earning a profit, that is a reward of our risk which we are taken to involve the amount into a business. Against that reward we get the profit. But many times we are taking a risk to invest the money, but we are not getting a profit in the business. No risk, no gain. While we are not involved in the business, there is no involvement of the money, so we are not getting any risk. So those people who invest the money in the business, they earn the profit as well as they earn the loss. So it is a no risk, no gain. Thank you.